Hello everyone, I am RK sir. Today we are going to discuss about the voice of past perfect tense because previous class we have finished that voice of past continuous tense. So let's start our rule in active voice. In active voice our rule is that subject plus had plus V3 plus object. If you want to put the rest word, then you can put here rest word also. So how to change active to passive? Just like previous class, let's try to do. In the place of subject, you have to write the object. After then, had is compulsory. Here, perfect is available, so that you have to add the been. After then, V3. After then, by. And in the place of subject, in the place of subject, no. In the place of object, you have to write the subject. Which subject? This one. After then, end of the sentence, you have to put the rest word. No any problem, because there is no work of the rest word. Only you have to put here in last. So like that we can change active to passive. Let's we try to do some example, because by the help of example we will try to know how to change active to passive. So my first example is that in active voice I am taking I had broken mangoes. I had broken mangoes. मैं आम तोड़ चुका था. In Hindi I can say मैं आम तोड़ चुका था, but here mangoes is available, so that we can say lots of mangoes. So for changing active to passive, what will you do? Firstly, you have to try to recognize here I is the subject, this is the auxiliary verb or helping verb, this is the V3, and mango is the object. So our rule is saying that firstly you have to write the object. Which one? Mangoes. So mangoes is our subject. After then you have to write had, because our rule is saying that had. After then been. Which one? You have to write after then been. After the been, here V3. So which V3? Broken. So broken is already V3, so I can write here broken. There is no change. Broken. After then by, because our rule is saying. And in the place of object you have to write subject. What is the subject? I. So you have to write here me. Like that we can change active to passive. So let's become in Hindi translation, then I can say I had broken mangoes. Mangoes had been broken by me. So I can say I had broken mango. मैं आम तोड़ चुका था. Mangoes had been broken by me. आमें मेरे द्वारा तोड़ा जा चुका था. Both work is same, but way is different. So one more example. Let's we take. If I say in active voice, she had driven cycle on the road. She had driven cycle on the road. So firstly we have to try to find out. She is the subject, had is auxiliary verb, driven is that V3, cycle is playing the role of object, and on the road is the rest word. Because today I am using here rest word, you are looking in the rule, so don't worry about it. How to change passive? Cycle is the object. Don't write this one in subject. You have to write first object to subject. So our object is that cycle. So I can write here cycle had been. Cycle had been driven, already V3. Cycle had been driven by. Cycle had been driven by. Here she is available, so I can write here her, because when we change active to passive, then she will change in her. So cycle had been driven by her, and this is the rest word, so that we can write end of the sentence. So on the road. Let's become in Hindi translation, and I can say she had driven cycle on the road. वह सड़क में साइकिल चला चुकी थी। सड़क में मतलब सड़क पर साइकिल चला चुकी थी। साइकिल हैड बीन ड्राइवन बाय हर ऑन द रोड। साइकिल उसके द्वारा सड़क पर चलाया जा चुका था। दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट मीनिंग आर सेम बट वे इज डिफरेंट टू से। दैट्स व्हाई active to passive is very easy. It is depend upon the tense. If your tense is good, then you can easily change. That's why each and every class I am saying that you have to focus the tense. Your tense is good, so then you can improve everything in English sector. I hope you are able to understand voice of past perfect tense. Previous class I have started the speech, so bit by bit we will try to improve our English. In speech today I have taken the very small story. The name of the story is that The Crow and Pitcher. In Hindi I can say that Kawa and Ghada. This is the very small story, just like previous class. So let's start the narrate the story Crow and Pitcher. Once upon a time there was a crow. One day she was very thirsty, so that she was wandering here and there for searching water, but she couldn't get success. She was feeling very tired, so that she decided to take rest. So she went near the branch of the tree and sat on the branch of tree. While sitting on the branch of tree, she looked so far away a pitch. She went near the pitch, then she looked. Water level so low. Then she thought, what can I do? Suddenly she looked some small pieces of stone near the pitch, so that she picked some small pieces of stone and put into the pitch. Then she looked that water level came up. Then she did this work again and again, more and more. Then she found water level so high. Then she drank water, removed the thirsty and flew in the sky. So my dear friend, the morality of the story is that hard work is key of success. चलिए इस कहानी को मैं हिंदी से थोड़ा बता दूं। एक कौवा था। एक दिन वह बहुत प्यासा था, इसलिए पानी की खोज में इधर उधर घूम रहा था। उसको पानी नहीं मिला, बहुत थका हुआ महसूस कर रहा था, इसलिए वह चाहा कि आराम करें। इसलिए वह पेड़ की डाली पर गया और बैठ गया। जब वह आराम कर रहा था तो बहुत दूर में उन्होंने क्या किया, एक घड़ा को देखा। वह घड़ा के पास जाता है तो देखता है कि वहाँ पानी का जो लेयर है बहुत ही कम है। वह सोचा क्या किया जाए, तो अचानक वो देखता है कि घड़ा के आसपास ना पत्थर के छोटे छोटे टुकड़े थे। उन्होंने पत्थर के कुछ टुकड़ों को पकड़ा और घड़ा में डाला, तो देखा पानी का लेयर ना ऊपर आ गया। वह बहुत खुश हुआ। वह एक एक करके ना ढेर सारा छोटे छोटे पत्थर का टुकड़ा को डाल दिया। मेहनत करना पड़ा, लेकिन अंततः पानी ऊपर आ गया। तो वह बहुत खुश हुआ, पानी पिया और आसमान में उड़ गया। अंततः उसको सफलता मिल गई। तो इस कहानी से हमको क्या सीखना है कि हार्डवर्क इज की ऑफ सक्सेस, मेहनत ही सफलता की कुंजी है। तो इस तरह से आप ये कहानी को सीखिए, जानिए, लेकिन इंग्लिश से सीखना है। मैं तो एकदम बहुत सरल भाषा में, इस कहानी का बहुत सारा और थोड़ा विस्तार किया जा सकता है। ये आप पर निर्भर करता है, अपने शब्दों में इसको बनाइए और यू हैव टू इम्प्रूव योर इंग्लिश। बट it is the initial time, that's why I am saying in Hindi and English, but after some time I will say only and on English, so that you have to be careful. And this is the very small topic and this is the easiest work, so that you have to do each and every day, then you will improve your English. And already I told you that whenever you get the chance to speak something, then you have to say loudly this story, then you can improve your English. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you are understanding. So thank you once again.